Greetings, Bissell Powerforce bagged fans. I have this lovely 2017 example, graciously donated by one Thomas Rechtenwald a number of months ago, and we have a few more tests to do with it. We haven't completed them yet, and one of them is a whole house carpet cleaning with Wade results, and another one is baking soda in the carpet test. We have done sand, though. It did pretty well. Better than all of my 4 Dyson machines. So it's got a fairly aggressive brush roll. CFM at the nozzle isn't that great. And this bag is, I'm going to say maybe 5% full. There's just a tiny bit of debris in here. Very, very minimal. So I can't believe it's going to affect the test all that much. And if you remember, this bag filters amazingly well, considering what it's made out of. So we start out at 48.5 something. Gotta wait for everything to stabilize. All right, we'll say 48.54 grams. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean at least 1,000 square feet of carpet, come back, and let's reweigh the bag. And like magic, the Bissell Powerforce bag finished cleaning about 1,100 square feet of carpet. We did certainly more than what you could do with the Kirby, but we did less than something you could do with, like, say, a canister with a really, really kind of low power nozzle. So about 1,100 square feet for whatever we managed to measure. I haven't taken the bag out yet. So let's see what happens. I think I looked up 59% sand pickup with this, so it's definitely fairly aggressive from a brush roll standpoint. So whatever we manage to get, you know there's going to be carpet fibers in here, without a doubt. Without a doubt. So let's see. How did we do? Started out at 48.54. And if my phone will respond here a little quicker, we ended up with 56.84. All right, that seems good and stable. So if we do that, and then we subtract 48.54, we end up with 8.30 grams. So that's actually pretty good, and if you look back in my, well, fairly extensive database of bagless systems, this is toward the top, but realize that's for 1,100 square feet. And in the video, I'll go ahead and put down what the 1,000 square foot equivalent would be, so you can compare to, like, say, a Kirby, for example. But there you go. So that's not bad, and that's definitely better than, I think, the typical average bagless system. So not bad. And let's, just for reference, take a quick peek at the bristles, just to remind you what they look like. Of course, stay tuned for a baking soda test. So here's the brush roll. They are medium length, and they're just medium stiff. They aren't razor sharp at all. Definitely not there. And of course, they're a nice kind of blue. I mean, you don't see that very often. I like the blue. Wife likes the blue. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this video, and I have to give a shout out to Thomas for donating the Bissell Powerforce bag. Stay tuned for more tests.